Brian with Filtrol here. If you own a septic system, you're going to want to watch this because I'm going to show you how you can prolong the life of your system by installing a Filtrol, a really simple tool that's inexpensive but can save the life of your system. So first I'm going to show you how a normal septic system operates. So here's your house. Water leaves the house, goes into a septic tank, and then eventually to a drain field. So when water leaves your house, solids settle out in the septic tank, and then the gray water eventually makes it out to the drain field and percolates and gets treated into the soil below. If you do laundry in your house, which most people do, a lot of tiny fibers get released from your clothing as they get washed. Those fibers do not necessarily settle out really well in the septic tank. A portion of them will, but a lot of them end up making their way out into the drain field and plugging up those little tiny pores in the soil, potentially creating a plugging mat that can prematurely end the life or shorten the life of your septic system and create a really expensive repair, usually in the thousands of dollars. If you have to replace a septic system, it could be in excess of $15,000 to $20,000. So one of the really simple things you can do to prolong the life of your system that's really inexpensive is install a Filtrol on your laundry discharge hose that catches up to 89% of fibers before they go into your septic system. So if those fibers are getting caught in your home, they're not getting into your septic tank, they're not getting into your drain field. One of the other issues with microfibers is just the overall environmental impacts of microfiber pollution. So even if you do not get fibers getting into your drain field, for example, a lot of them are still going to be in your septic tank. So whenever you get your septic tank serviced, that sludge gets pumped out and removed, and that gets typically applied on the land, on a field. And so you get this really large concentrated amount of microfibers that are getting spread on the land. And eventually that could make their way into waterways, rivers, lakes, streams, and turn up in, as microfiber pollution down the road. So in summary, one of the things that you can do that's really inexpensive is to install a Filtrol in your laundry discharge that keeps all those fibers from getting out into the drain field. You're minimizing microfiber pollution by keeping those fibers in the home. You're controlling them at the source, and then you're also not getting those fibers developing a plugging layer into your drain field. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends, subscribe, and leave comments if you'd like, and we'll be sure to answer those comments or questions if you have them. Thanks for watching.